so you don't know, so before we eat, we have to say a word of prayer, bless up the food. Okay guys, so we're about to board the plane. And your girl Libby over there, so.
Hi guys.
Hey man, we just landed Jamaica, you see me?
So guys, when I'm in Jamaica, there is only one store I shop at, okay? Good morning guys. Yes, it's morning. It is approximately 3:23 in the morning. And guess where we're going? We are on our way to the airport. It's not police. Slow down.
Yeah man, we're at the airport guys, and we are going to Jamaica.
Take exit 11 onto State Road 436
quick
North
little
Ford
short
International
visit,
Airport.
you understand? Go do the thing and do back, you understand?
Yes, we have some stuff to take care of, guys.
I was supposed to go by myself guys, yes me I tell them, and Livy said she'll come with me because she wants to watch.
Stop lying. Okay, this boy said he cannot sleep without me, so he wants me to come.
Guys, me no how to live it right,
And I
but
said,
this
babe,
time
don't worry, I'm gonna FaceTime you. We have WhatsApp. Don't worry, just
right. You don't know when people are lying.
just enjoy yourself.
Them mouth just keep going.
Alright.
I mean, isn't it? So she said she want to watch me.
Me?
Today, yeah? You see me?
Yeah.
We're on our way to the airport and we decide we're going to bring you guys on the journey to Jamaica with us. You understand? We are going to see the whole thing where we are dealing with Jamaica and you know do the badness. So we're on our way to the airport right now. We're going to be there in approximately 4 minutes. So we're at the airport. So when we go up on the plane, when we are going to check in, when we do everything, we just all people know. Remember, it's a vlog, you understand? We everyday life. This is a part of our everyday life. I mean, also we travel every day because we're not rich. But this, me and Livy, I do the badness, so.
Yep, and losing focus is bouncing. Anyways, guys, we'll be back. I'm about to go check in, and y'all will see us when we reach to the airport.
Alright, guys. Okay, guys, it's the boy one done and
Livy!
with the flat stomach. Okay, guys, I don't know, so we have to love our food. So, guys, we're at the airport. We're at the airport, as you can see. Yes, guys, so we're at the airport and we get some Chick-fil-A just for one way until we go.
No, I really wanted to wait until I could get juicy patty.
TSTs or
No,
juicy?
juicies. That's what I want. They said that's
Guys,
the best one.
comment down below. Juicy patties or tasty patties in 3, 2, 1. Comment. What you say, Livy? What you say?
Juicies. Even I ain't taste none of them, but I see that.
Me say juicy too. Me not give none of them no promotion. I'm gonna do it because doing good is really good. Right, babes?
And it's black business, right? It's black people only, right?
In Jamaica, you never know.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Never know, okay? But we're at the airport, guys. We're super early because we're there over one side of the airport like a brand new. You understand? We're about to consume. You understand? And Livy's right here. She can't wait.
Guys, our flight don't leave till 7, right? But what happened is the last time I came to the airport, I missed my flight because I had to stand in TSA line for like almost an hour and a half. But they opened up a new side and we only had to, we stand in line for like 30 seconds and we walked right through. So that's why we like, how much hours early?
3.
We reached here at 3.
3 hours early.
3.5 actually, right? So yeah guys, we're about to go eat. And we're gonna you wanna tell them what we get? Y'all wanna know what we get?
Yeah, we get some Chick-fil-A. Livy get orange juice. I get Sunkiss. Sunjoy from Chick-fil-A. I get 2 meal, guys. Don't call me greedy.
Here you go, husband. Your son
Yeah,
to
that.
be.
When you buy girl Chick-fil-A, then call your husband. So what me get there, guys? One a little
And he
biscuit
get a mini
sandwich.
chicken.
And me get mini chicken. And me get some Chick-fil-A sauce. Libby, what you get? What's wrong sandwich,
I just
right?
got one chicken sandwich because, guys, I don't eat egg. I don't even know what it tastes like.
Okay, I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A sauce. So guys, we'll consume and when we finish, we'll be right back, okay? I'm out. So you don't know, so before we eat, we have to say a word of prayer, bless up the food, plus thank God for this moment. Take up my jacket, fix up my bag and stuff. You don't know, say Livy love her belly, so you don't know she have to talk about the food before she eat it. You understand? Yeah man, I go sub up on me, feed her, wipe off her mouth. Me want to put my finger in her mouth, but she don't want a little fun. So anyway guys, we have a little fun when we eat. Me give her some of my food because she love her belly and wipe off her mouth same time. You see me? Me there and we extra early at the airport so we can consume some food, we can all have vibes. And over the side of the window guys, as I tell you before, it's empty, like not a lot of people over there. So you see me? We did it and me I tell you guys, me really hungry. Livy not really hungry, but you know she love her belly, so she go consume when she see food. You see what I say? But we're there, we're waiting for our flight, can't wait for the down a yard, we can't wait for go up on the beach, can't wait for do business, we can't wait for us have a good time. You see me? I make sure some up more drinks because she wants some nice nails and I don't want to mess up her nails. And it's the right thing to do. Me there, I may consume my little thing that when me get from Chick-fil-A. It tastes good, me not gonna lie. Chick-fil-A, me like Chick-fil-A. It have a buzz. You see me? So guys, we just basically did there chill, eat and talk. You understand? As you can tell, Livia go in on the food. And me too. If food ain't good, we glad say we there over that little section there. We don't have a lot of people. We can get full of vibes and the place looks sanitary and clean. So you don't know. And guys, I want to stay tuned in another vlog because everybody who me take picture with, as you all know, me always put it up at the end or in a little video what we do with anyone that we support them, anyone that we fans them, anyone that we subscribe to them. So make sure you leave a like on that video, yeah, and just continue to watch the vlog. It's going to be memorable. It's going to be a good look, you see me? And stay tuned because you might see you in another vlog, yeah, either a picture or a little short video. Okay guys, so we're about to board the plane. There, so leave about this one. See me ready. So the next spot you'll see when we're up on the plane, then when we land, then when we're there yard. So stay tuned. We're there, see me.
Stay tuned guys.
So right here, so guys, we make it on the plane. We're at the back of the plane like we're on the subject. You see me, we haven't sleep all night guys because the flight was so early. So when we look and we realize that here our flight early, we just pack and go straight to the airport. So we're about to get some sleep now. Okay guys, so your boy one done and your girl Libby over there, so
Hi guys.
yeah man, we just landed Jamaica, you see me? So we are waiting for our driver. I don't know the badness go or the goodness. So we're there, we just land, you see me? And we sleep on the plane because we never sleep last night, right Bill?
No, we ain't get no sleep at all. Like just, yeah, we ain't get no sleep. We sleep for like 24 hours.
Yeah, so we sleep on the plane. See how we look. You understand? So see you in a few. When we're up on the ride, they don't know what's the journey, you see me? We're there, Mobile. We're there, Mobile. We're there, airport.
So guys, we're in Mobile.
Head southeast.
He lost.
Turn left.
He's trying to find his friend place.
Turn left.
So, yeah.
In 200 meters, turn right onto railway lane. In 300 meters, turn left onto Howard Cook Highway.
Hey people, we're there, you see me? Olivia confused me and lost me.
In 200 meters, turn left onto
Me?
Howard Cook
I
Highway.
understand, but they don't know we have GPS. Yes, guys, and the work of Jamaica. Jamaica is not no third world country.
Watch out for that pothole. So guys, when I'm in Jamaica, there is only one store I shop at, okay, in Montego Bay, and that's VVS Diamond Closet. If y'all want to look hot like me, you have to come here and shop, okay? Look, guys, if you want your man look hot, okay, and sexy, and you want to feel like you have the top man, come in VVS Closet. Look at this. Look at all these clothes. And everything in here real. No fake, no Chinese knockoff. Everything in here real, okay? So guys, they have almost every brand in here. Coach, Louis V, Armani Exchange, Gucci. All of the top brands they have in here. You could find almost every brand in here. Look at these purses, guys. Oh my God, River Island, look at this. This is so pretty. Watch this. One done. I want this, you know.
Done.
Alright.
Where you put it back for?
So guys, we finally got our juicy oi. Okay, our juicy patty. And I'm gonna try mine now. Careful. Tastes good.
You know me not talk, you don't know what that means. No, we like Jamaica.
Tastes really good, guys. Wow, shit. See how close that car was? And guys, I got a what? Sorry guys. Guys, sorry I'm hitting y'all. I'm so sorry. I apologize for knocking y'all out. But I got a beef and I got a chicken.
Pass on a napkin there, because I know me mouth nasty. Just understand, guys.
That's okay, baby. Eating. This is a beef. My mouth nasty too, so I have stuff out. This is a beef I believe I eating. With cheese. And we get ourselves pineapple juice, which I gonna drink that one, and an orange juice. Or whatever. What? You like how I sound? Say no? Oh no.
Kind of alright.
Really?
Like them are wide the road, them are the road.
Yeah.
Them wide the road, no?
Alright guys, so we're gonna finish consume this. Hear me, but saying consume.
Yeah, mom. Broke it in her from early, not you, but you can eat. Just not say baby can't eat.
Baby, make sure you eat all your hair.